Hello everybody, thank you so much for pressing play on my video. My name is Charlene Luciano from stampwithshar.com and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the US. I have a super cute project to share with you today, and it's great for craft fairs or to have at your table. You can add a little package of hot cocoa with marshmallows and chocolate, and it's quite a good size. This one here is a little bit smaller, and I created this one using the envelope punch board, and I will have this linked at the end of the video. There'll be a screen at the end that you can click on, and it will take you to this post. I am using the All is Bright Designer Series paper on this project, so I'm going to show you how we created. First off, Happy Veterans Day. Thank you so much to all the men and women that served, that are continuing to serve. Thank you so much for your service. Much love and much respect. So the Designer Series paper is cut at 4.5 inches by 9 inches, and we need to do some scoring. Now, I will have a detailed description with measurements over on my website at www.stampwithshar.com. So if you missed anything, don't stress, everything will be there. We're going to score at 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch, 4 inch, 5 inch, 6 inch, 7 inch, and 8 inch. And then with a 4.5 along the top, we're going to score this at 1.5 inches. I have some die cut pieces, and this is for our handle. And again, I will have the size of the circles over on my website. And I'm just going to line this up at the 1.25, and I'm going to score, and then I'm going to flip it around and line it up again at the 1.25, and score. And that is going to be our handle. Okay. I also went ahead and I die cut some circles, and that's going to be for the inside and the outside of the mug. I am going to fold and burnish all our score lines. And where we scored at that 1.5 inch, we need to cut up, stopping at the horizontal. So we're going to cut up on all these score lines, stopping at that horizontal. I'm now going to add some tear and tape along the side. You want to use tear and tape because it's a nice strong adhesive. And right here where I've doubled up, I'm going to use that as my handle piece. And then we are just going to add some multi-purpose liquid glue on these tabs. You're going to hold it there for a few seconds. And then you're going to take your circles and you're going to add one on the outside. And you're going to add one on the inside. And with the liquid glue, it gives you a few seconds to hold it and play around. And then you are going to attach your handle. And then you're going to use a glue dot and seal the handle shut. And that, my friends, is your little mug. Obviously you want to let it dry. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. That way you don't miss my next video. If you're in the US and you're interested in any of these products, I will have them linked in the description below, and that will take you over to my online store. I do post projects every weekday to inspire you, so I hope you'll head on over there, www.stampwithshar.com. And I hope everybody has a wonderful Veterans Day and a great week ahead. Thank you for stopping by. Take care.